Today we got a video from Rabbit Body Cam, and the title of the video is Big Mistake. Entitled 21-year-old thought she was untouchable. Police shut it down.
Man, do me a favor, pull into that gas station.
Okay.
Thank you. I don't want to get hit out there.
Okay.
All right, couple things. The headlight's out. Your tail, your tag light. What up?
It comes on and goes off. I don't know what.
Okay, it ain't working when you pass me.
Okay.
Your headlight's out. Your registration light is out. Your plates are expired. And your plates are suspended. And you ain't got your seatbelt on. And you didn't have your seatbelt on when you passed me because I saw you completely leaning forward.
Okay, I'm sorry. This is not my car, so I didn't know that.
You didn't know how the seatbelts work?
No, I didn't know the plate was suspended.
Okay, you got your license? Whose car is this?
My friend.
What?
My friend.
What's your friend's name?
Marquez. I don't think I got my license on me, but I have license.
What's your license? What's your license? You have anything with your name on it? You have a credit card? You don't have any credit card?
No.
Whose car is this?
My friend.
What's your friend's name?
Marquez.
Who you calling?
Who's car? My friend.
I don't need your friends. I need your information.
Yeah, I don't have my license on me, but you can search my name right now.
Sure. You don't have anything with your name on it? Not a credit card?
I actually just got back in my car. The car.
Got what?
I just got back in the car.
What does that mean?
I didn't have my stuff with me.
What does that mean you don't have your stuff with you?
I don't have my
Okay. Before we go any further, any weed in the car?
No.
I can smell it. There's reeking out of the car. I'm going to search your car. I'm telling you that right now. So if I find anything, you might as well get it to me right now.
Like I said, I just got in here.
Okay, stay in the car. What's your first name?
Ashanti.
Again, nothing on you with your name on it.
I don't even have my wallet. That's why I have all my stuff.
Where are you coming from?
I just came from bowling.
From bowling?
Yeah.
Where were you bowling at?
And I was all the way in Aurora.
All the way in Aurora?
Yes. She literally just let me use her car when I got back this way.
Where's she at?
She's at home.
Okay, yeah, any weed in the car that you know of? You might like check, because again, it's reeking at me.
I'm going to check, but that I know of, no. Yeah.
Okay, it's probably all up in that ashtray, all the fucking roaches in there.
Maybe.
Okay, so I'm gonna check that, all right? Do me a favor, hop out. Leave everything in the car, don't take anything with you. You got anything in your pockets?
No.
You wanna flip them inside out for me, ma'am? Okay, your jacket pockets, you got jacket pockets? No? Okay, hang tight with my partner.
Have you ever had a driver's license?
Yeah.
What state?
Bronx.
Illinois?
Yeah.
Do you know your number? Or do you have a picture of it? How old are you, can I ask? Because you're young enough, it's not going to offend you.
What?
How old are you?
21.
21? Okay. Is it spelled differently on your driver's license that you know of? No? Okay. We're just trying to figure something out. They can't find you.
Really?
Yeah.
I had a license, you know.
Okay.
I have it.
Do you have a middle name?
May I ask when I got pulled over for?
No, do you have a middle name?
No.
You don't have a middle name?
What I get pulled over for?
I don't know. You're going to have to ask this officer. Are your plates expired?
It's not my car.
Okay.
She didn't tell me her plate was there.
Well, I don't know. I'm just guessing. I don't know. But he'll be able to explain
Yeah,
it to you.
he said the plate was suspended, but...
You know, as we're sitting here watching this vehicle or watching this video, I was looking something up. So because I noticed she has AirPods in her ears. So what I did was I just did a quick Google search. And because I'm curious, can you wear headphones while driving? Like that's something that I was curious about. I know the officer didn't say anything, but I'm definitely I was like, damn, I wonder, can you do that? So what it says here is driving with AirPods is not banned by federal law, but many states, including California, Washington, Ohio, restrict or forbid wearing headphones in both ears while driving. Using only one earbud is generally allowed, but local laws vary. See, so I was curious. I never knew that.
Suspended?
Yeah.
Okay. Hey, partner, she's saying she doesn't have a middle name.
You don't have a middle name?
Yeah.
You do or you don't?
No, I don't.
Sure?
Yeah.
Where are you headed?
So Rockford.
Rockford? Is that where you live?
Yes.
Yeah. Who gave you a car with expired plates?
That's what I'm saying. She didn't tell me that.
A friend?
Yeah.
Sister,
My
cousin,
Yeah.
friend? Is there insurance in the car at least?
Yeah.
Yes. Oh, look at that guy driving no lights on. Come on, guy.
Probably don't know.
You'll notice now. There it is.
I was going to say they'll get it.
Cowboys fan? Cowboys fan?
No.
No.
I just like the outfit.
Come on.
And I had these shoes for a while. And then
Yeah?
Yeah.
You ever been to Dallas?
Dallas.
Texas?
No, I want to move to Houston.
Huh?
I want to move to Houston.
You want to move to Houston? It's very humid. I'm going to warn you. It's very
I
humid.
know. I don't like the cold. I'm going to need it.
Houston is very humid. Like, you go outside and you're like, it's hard to breathe. There's nothing in the car with your name on it. Nothing. You don't have a picture of your driver's license.
Yeah, but Houston, where all the 304s is at? That's the new Houston, the new Miami, man.
I thought I did.
You know that could be a citation, right? You got to carry your driver's license
Yeah,
on
I
you.
know. This wasn't fun.
You'll be mom like this.
My hands are freezing tonight. Can you turn around and just face my partner's car? You can talk to me. I know you're gonna say something.
I'm freezing.
Are you cold? I know. I'm cold too.
Would have been a simple ticket. You do understand that your name is literally around your neck, right? Come on, man. You got to be smarter than that.
Is your name Keisha?
Yeah.
This is your license. This is your car. You just got pulled over like 2 weeks ago by Algonquin, correct?
Yeah.
Okay. Whose name did you give me?
My son's
Okay. You should probably, if you're going to do that, you should realize your partner, your friend, has a middle initial.
Don't give them somebody else's name, because then they will get all the tickets. And then when they get summoned to court, the judge will be like, who are you? You're getting them in trouble. Why did you lie?
She don't care.
Because I know my license is suspended.
So why are you driving?
I've been trying. I have to go out there. I just moved out here. I have to go out there to get it situated. I didn't even know my license was suspended until when I just got pulled over 2 weeks ago. In order for me to figure it out, I have to be able to get back out there to handle my business. I've been on and off on the phone with them trying to figure out what it is. Now, they thought I didn't have insurance. I've been having insurance since I had.
Yeah. The only problem with what you're talking about is that it's 00.08. It is 8 minutes after 12. What business are you handling? Got to get out there, whatever. You shouldn't be driving. Now, if this was during the day, maybe we could go with your story a little bit, right? But you driving late at night, you know you're not supposed to be driving because you got pulled over a couple of weeks ago.
My car. So it's like,
This is your car, right?
yeah.
So your license suspended, your plates are suspended, expired, no tag light, no headlight, no seatbelt.
Show your insurance?
No insurance, I'm assuming.
You have insurance?
I have insurance.
Where's the insurance?
I actually did just get in my car.
Where are you coming from right now?
I just came from bowling.
Bowling?
Yes.
You shouldn't drive.
No, I didn't drive. I literally just got in my car.
You got in your car and
I
you were
got
going to
dropped.
drive back to
Yeah.
Rockford. So, but you went bowling, right? It's not like you took a friend to the hospital. Not like you had, not like you're coming home from work. Like you're literally driving for leisure.
No. I went bowling and I got dropped off back home, but I have to get back to Rockford to figure everything out with my plate.
You say you live in Rockford.
So here's the thing. Would have been a simple ticket, okay? But you want to lie, and you're already on pretrial release for having a suspended license, driving and suspended, right? I saw your paperwork. Like 2 weeks ago, you were arrested on the street, and now you want to make us do all this work, okay?
No, I wasn't arrested.
You were technically arrested, but today you're going to be physically arrested. So go ahead, put your hands behind your back. You're under arrest. I'm going to take your watch off before I put the cuffs on. Ready for anything crazy?
Somebody right now? No?
Go ahead. Hey, right before Taco Bell, parking lot, okay, Blair capturing 103. Mark.
Wow.
10-4, midnight 12.
Anything in the vehicle that you need, ma'am?
You have a wallet, purse,
Phone.
Your phone?
and I assume
Zero will be around the neck. Too.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll grab that for you, okay?
10-4.
I got the case. I got another one in my ear. Yeah. And a case.
Is there weed in this car?
No.
Where's the case?
I don't believe it. It should be in there. The AirPod case.
AirPod case? I'll put this in the... Okay.
So she had both in her ears. She had both in her ears because the left ear is initially the one that we seen when she was sitting down. That's how I seen the piece in her ear. And now the other one was covered with the hair. So she had both of them in her ear. What the hell?
All right, so right now you're under arrest for obstructing your identification as well as driving unsuspended. Okay? Do you understand? We'll get you in and out, all right? Once you get in, we'll knock on some paperwork. You'll get a phone call, and you'll can get picked up and whatnot, all right?
My car getting impounded.
Your car's getting impounded, yep. Marquisha, behind it, besides this weed, you got anything else on you? Because there's a female officer coming to search you.
I don't have nothing on.
Okay. Huh?
I didn't know.
Okay.
Hello.
Hey, thank you.
Yeah, of course.
Do me a favor, step out. And you got nothing on you?
Hello. Hello. I'm Officer Brown. I'm going to be
This
searching
is
you,
what
okay?
she was under the seat. I don't know.
Yeah, sweet. Thanks. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Take a seat. Appreciate it.
Yep.
What? Woman awarded $300,000 by jury after drinking 15 shots of tequila on a cruise. Nah, that sound crazy. But anyway, they probably should have cut her off, but they didn't. Whatever. But yeah. So just dumb. Not keeping up with your license and everything like that. Like, I don't know. It's not that hard to maintain a license. I feel like it's not that hard. Like, you know, everyone gets tickets, you know, that's a part of the game, you know what I mean? But you get your ticket, you pay it, you do what you got to do, you know. It shouldn't get to the point to where your license is getting suspended. Like, I don't even know how you let things get that bad, you know? And then not only that, driving around expired tag, you driving around hot. You driving around hot. And you want to go bowling and this and that, like the little sob story that she was talking about, it would have made a little bit of sense if she got pulled over during the day. We might be able to give her the benefit of the doubt. But like the cop said, you're going bowling. This is leisure. It's not even like you're going from work or whatever the case may be. No. It's midnight. No, not falling for that. You're done. If you would like to support the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Also, hype the video. YouTube has a new feature where you can hype the video. Helps it gets pushed out into the algorithm. Those are all free things to do. If you're looking for some paid options, you can also send a super thanks, super sticker, or look in the description for our YouTube membership and our Patreon link. And I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you. Your support is greatly appreciated.